This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Premiere Pro for YouTube. We'll cover everything you need to get started, from importing your footage to exporting your final masterpiece. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this guide will help you navigate the essential tools and techniques. Get ready to transform your raw footage into engaging content that captivates your audience and elevates your YouTube channel. Let's dive in and unlock your editing potential. Now that your project is set up, let's dive into the core of editing. We'll explore how to precisely cut and trim your clips, ensuring a smooth flow for your story. You'll learn to add dynamic transitions and subtle effects to enhance visual interest without overwhelming your viewers. Plus, we'll cover essential audio adjustments, making sure your sound is clear and balanced, and how to seamlessly integrate background music. These techniques are fundamental for creating polished videos. To truly make your videos stand out, incorporating engaging visuals and refined audio is key. We'll explore how to add professional-looking text, titles, and lower thirds to convey information clearly. You'll also discover how to integrate graphics and images to enrich your narrative and keep viewers hooked. Furthermore, we'll touch upon color correction and grading, transforming your footage with vibrant, consistent visuals. These steps will significantly elevate your production quality. Finally, it's time to prepare your incredible video for the world to see. We'll walk through the optimal export settings specifically tailored for YouTube, ensuring your hard work looks fantastic in high definition. You'll learn to choose the right format and resolution, making sure your video is perfectly optimized for the platform. We'll also share some quick tips for efficient rendering and a smooth uploading process, so your content reaches your audience without a hitch. You're almost there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.